Studying sound engineering should hopefully open up many career avenues. Having the fundamental knowledge and understanding of how to work with audio, be it recording, mixing, mastering, or reproducing sound, are applicable to many, many different industries. So although we focus primarily on working with music and recorded audio, there's also potential career opportunities within film, post-production, TV, games, or essentially any music for media.
The opportunity to come and use the studios and like my own personal practice time was one of the most valuable things about coming here. It's been built for purpose.
The level 4 is where you come in, it's where you start, it's your first year. So that level we've got modules like music composition, music production, sound design, sound engineering, music industry. It's kind of the foundation set of modules for the BA programme. At level 5 is a module called Creative Production and Remix, and that's really where we start to bring together the different skills I learned at level 4. So production skills, composition, potentially some sound design, and it's working with a supplied set of songs and exploring the creative possibilities around remixing and remix culture. Level 6 I would teach on the portfolio module, which is ultimately what students are working their way towards. By the end of their degree, they're looking to create a portfolio project, and that might be a sound engineering project, it might be a composing for media project, it might be an audio for games project, or it might be an artist EP. And at level 6 generally we're aiming for the students to be more autonomous in their learning and really kind of getting them ready for going out there into the world and working in industry.
It is definitely a good time to really own your artistry and to really do you. And I like to think that that's what we're trying to do here in Point Blank as well, to give the students the tools and the confidence really to be able to step into the industry and own themselves and what they are all about.
Point Blank itself as a brand is globally recognised, easily one of the biggest music educators out there, from having different places based over in Los Angeles, Ibiza. It's really quite a well-recognised name. If I go out to other places and explain, like I work for Point Blank, straight away people know who that is and who I'm working for.